All right, guys, 2011 Ford Focus. The customer's concern is the key does not come out of the ignition no matter what he does. So I'm going to show you what we found. So inside here, we removed the steering shifter cover. We found this switch that's just dangling around. Now this switch, I don't know if you can hear that. When I press this button, you can hear inside the column. You can hear it actuate there and the key will come out no problem. So if you can see inside here, right there, it mounts up, so when you put the car in park, show you guys. See that rod right there? When that comes up, when this comes up here, it's supposed to push in that switch and basically completes the circuit so you can remove the key. So this thing, you're gonna have to replace the whole shifter assembly. Now if this is your own car and you wanted to do something like a little quick fix, you could bypass this switch. You can cut these two wires here and then you can join them together. If this was just like an old car, a hoopty or something, nothing we'd really do on a customer's vehicle, but it is something that you can do if it's your own vehicle. Not a proper fix, just something to get you by. All right, guys, here is a closer look at the switch here. I have it pulled out, so you can hear as soon as that's pushed in right there, the key is able to come out. So you can see where it was broken right there. It broke off where it was attached from the factory and the shift assembly.